Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking an RSS reader that fits your workflow. Choose web if you use a browser, or mobile if you read on the go. Once chosen, go to the site you want to follow, find the RSS or feed icon, and copy the feed URL. Then in your reader, click Add or Subscribe and paste that URL. Make sure to confirm the subscription. After that, the reader will begin fetching posts, so you see new items immediately instead of visiting multiple sites. Once you have feeds flowing, organize them into folders or tags so you don't get overwhelmed. For example, news, blogs, and podcasts. Next, set update frequency and sync settings. Choose 15 minutes or hourly depending on how fresh you need content. Then add keyword filters or rules so only relevant posts surface in priority lists. Make sure to test a filter on one feed first. This helps you tune rules without losing content. After that, adjust unread to complete setup. Export your subscriptions to an optimal file so you can back up or move feeds between readers. Make sure mobile sync and offline reading are enabled if you'll read without constant connectivity. If a feed stops updating, refresh it manually and verify the feed URL still works. Sometimes sites change their feed address. If that fails, check the reader's logs or try subscribing with a different reader to isolate the issue. With backup and sync in place, your RSS system is resilient and portable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.